How many users can you have on Asana for free? Hook. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of tasks, projects, and deadlines? Asana, the popular project management tool, offers a solution. But how many users can you have on Asana for free? Let's dive in and find out. Context. Imagine a small team of friends working on a group project. You're all juggling your own responsibilities, but you need a way to stay organized and on track. Asana seems like the perfect fit. But before you dive into creating tasks and assigning deadlines, you need to know how many users you can add without paying a dime. The free plan. Asana's free plan is designed for small teams and individuals. It offers a basic set of features that can help you manage your projects efficiently. While it's not as robust as the paid plans, it's a great starting point. User limits. So, how many users can you have on Asana for free? The answer is unlimited. That's right, you can add as many users to your workspace as you want, without any restrictions. This is a significant advantage over other project management tools that limit the number of users on their free plans. Features on the free plan. While you can have unlimited users, there are some limitations to the features available on the free plan. Here's a quick overview. Task creation and management. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and add comments. Project management. You can create projects, add tasks to them, and organize them using different views. Collaboration. You can collaborate with team members by commenting on tasks, sharing files, and mentioning people. Basic automation. You can automate some tasks using rules, but the options are limited compared to the paid plans. Advantages of the free plan. Cost-effective. The free plan is a great option for teams and individuals on a budget. Easy to use. Asana is user-friendly, even for those who are new to project management tools. Flexible. The free plan offers enough flexibility to manage a variety of projects. Disadvantages of the free plan. Limited features. If you need more advanced features, such as custom fields, advanced reporting, or time tracking, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Storage limitations. The free plan has limited storage for files. When to consider upgrading. Growing team. If your team is growing rapidly and you need more advanced features, it may be time to upgrade to a paid plan. Complex projects. If you're working on complex projects that require custom fields, advanced reporting, or time tracking, a paid plan may be necessary. Large file storage. If you need to store large files, a paid plan with more storage space is essential. Asana's free plan is a generous offer that allows you to have unlimited users. While it may have some limitations, it's a great starting point for small teams and individuals. If you find that the free plan doesn't meet your needs, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan. Are you ready to take control of your projects? Sign up for Asana's free plan today and start collaborating with your team more efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.